Thank you, Chairman Smithy and members of the committee. I appreciate the opportunity to present to you House Bill 670. Certainly recognize that many of you on this committee are attorneys and don't choose to try to tell you how to do law, but I do have a concern that I want to express to you, because in the area that I represent and then all over the state, there's been continuing concern about some of the things that people are hearing, seeing, and feeling, and that is they want to explicitly know that American law is going to be enforced on American soil.
And Mr. Flynn, I just want to make sure the record reflects that you are, in your comments, talking right now about House Bill, well,
670.
670.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then we'll
yes,
move
sir.
forward to the
okay.
JR as well.
Right. Okay. Don't need to tell you about the fact that 200 years ago we have Declaration of Independence, and about 11 years later we had the Constitution, and a lot of courageous men and women have given their lives to protect American liberties based on these documents. You don't need to go very far to talk to citizens that believe these liberties are under attack. I believe American constitutional rights must be preserved in order to preserve unique American values of liberty and freedom. State legislatures have a vital role to play in preserving these constitutional rights and American values of liberty and freedom. America has a very unique value of liberty which do not exist in many foreign countries' legal systems around the world. Freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of the press, due process, right to privacy, right to keep and bear arms. Civil and criminal laws serve as the bedrock of American values, and we are a nation of law. Unfortunately, increasing foreign laws and legal doctrines are finding their way into our lives. A review of state laws provide extensive evidence that foreign laws and legal doctrines are being introduced into our lives. As these ideas are being introduced, we need only to look to other countries that have seen their laws being tested and in some cases overturned. I believe that allowing foreign law to be recognized is a foot in the door and could set a dangerous precedent. State legislatures have generally not been explicit about what their public policy is related to foreign laws. We're seeking these arbitrations or tribunals appear to be left to their own devices, which may be at odds with our state and federal constitutional principles in the specific matters at issue. Here again, setting dangerous precedents that possibly could be recognized by some activist judges to recognize, and finding that could very well trample on the rights of Americans, not knowing or understanding American rights and privileges afforded to them, and in some cases be intimidated into accepting a procedure because of fear. This should not be allowed to happen. Texas should not expect or accept the application of foreign law, foreign forums selected within our state, and HB 670 seeks to impose this prohibition.